everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just one wicked 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Guys, this car is bad to the bone. If you don't want something fast, this is not the car for you. Car has 900 miles on a complete frame-off restoration. It has an LQ4 6.0-liter motor that was all custom. It was built at Robert's Machine. It's got a Stage 3 camshaft. I'll put all the stuff in there. I think it's got L76 intake. It's got a I hate shooting from the hip. I know it's got a Stage 3 cam in it. I'll try to put the rest of the stuff in the actual ad. I'm kind of rushing a little bit. We've got weather coming and I'm leaving for a show. So our only day that we can get this thing advertised is right now. It's a Tremec 6-speed T56 transmission in it, 12-bolt 410 posi, and this car rips, guys. Vintage AC, it's got Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes. It's just bad to the bone, man. 900 miles on a complete frame-off custom build. You can see it's finished in cranberry red. It's got the black Super Sport stripes, all black vinyl interior. Pretty car, guys. It's got the cowl hood. Not a whole lot to really pick, guys. This car is just tough. I have not had a chance to drive it. Jay's driven it a couple times now, said you absolutely got to hold on to your seat of your pants, the car flies, and he said it drives out excellent. I got this car from a buddy of mine out of Tennessee, and first thing he said is, man, this car is bad. Nice and straight down the sides. Got 18 and 20-inch Boyds, all new rubber all the way around it. Again, it's got the Wilwood 4-wheel disc brake kit, the slotted and drilled rotors. Stunning car, man. Again, this is an LQ4 6.0-liter motor. Aluminum heads. I think they're L96 heads. I think it's got the L76 intake on it. It's got the LS3 throttle body. Again, power steering. It's got front and rear sway bars. It's got the Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got vintage AC. And when we fire this thing up, I mean, normally, you fire these LS motors up and, they're just quiet and purr. This thing pounds the ground, man. Aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. Again, Tremec 6-speed manual transmission. It's got the hydraulic clutch. It's got roller rockers in it. Car is just wicked bad, man. And you can see it's got the bigger brakes on it too. Yeah, it's just some wax or something, guys. Yeah, when this thing fires up, man, it talks to you. Again, sorry, just a little dust or a little wax residue from the guys waxing it, guys. New carpet, new sill plates. It's got the bucket seats with the console. It's got the Hearst shifter, tilt column with a sports steering wheel. Our little soap dish is coming off. Have to pop that back in. It's got a Dakota custom dash cluster in it with tack and gauges. Audiosounds aftermarket sound system in it. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust with electric dumps. It is a 12-bolt 410 posi with a rear sway bar. Just a wicked cool car, guys. All spackle coated in the trunk. It's got LED reverse lights in it and stuff, doesn't it? Yeah. It's got a, I can't remember the fuel tank that's in it, but it's got electric fuel pump. And very nice underneath. Man, this is a pretty car, guys. Seats are all refoamed, very nicely done. There's your electric, that's your electric button for your dumps. It's got all the vintage AC, what do you call it, for the controls. You can get the 6-speed on the console. Wait till Jay fires this thing up, man. I'm telling you, this thing is wicked cool. AC's on the bottom, but it works. Sorry guys, putting the pins in here so Jay doesn't have to come out here and help me. Sorry, make you seasick. Jay just opened the dumps. They close them. That's that little button on the dash. 936 on the odometer. Yes, the parking brake works. Fuel gauge, tack. A little red tack works. Voltmeter's working. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's the dash light. That all works. You have to put a little, what do you call it, on the button there. Those reverse lights are LED. Radio works. You know, your lights on dash, all your blower motor stuff works. Haha, found something that doesn't work. Wipers. We'll have to check that, guys. A lot of times we'll tap it or something and all of a sudden this stuff starts working. Welcome to the world of old cars. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page, or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That is a bad ride right there, boys. the road there, boys. That's how bad that is. Have a great day, guys.